In the scorching heat of the Middle East, the journey of liquid gold begins not with hands, but with high-tech shakers. Traditional picking is gone. Massive straddle harvesters now roam these fields, racing against time.
To preserve the precious polyphenols, these olives must reach the factory within 24 hours. It's a race against fermentation. Any delay spikes the acidity, ruining the extra virgin grade.
Upon arrival, tons of raw fruit are dumped into the intake lines. The scale here is absolutely massive. First, powerful blowers strip away the leaves and twigs. Purity starts here. Then, a high-pressure wash removes every speck of desert dust and soil. Only the cleanest fruit enters the mill. This is modern hygiene at its finest. Every batch is digitally weighed to calculate the precise extraction efficiency later. Inside the hammer mill, the olives are crushed instantly. Pits, flesh, and skin destroyed in seconds. This creates a coarse paste. Breaking the pit actually helps release the oil locked in the fruit. At a microscopic level, millions of tiny oil droplets are finally set free.
The paste is then pumped into the heart of the factory, the malaxation section.
Rows of stainless steel tanks. This is where the flavor profile is decided.
The paste is slowly stirred for 40 minutes. This process, called malaxation, is critical.
Temperature is strictly controlled. It must stay below 27 degrees Celsius to be cold extracted.
In this hot climate, cooling jackets surround the tanks to prevent the paste from cooking.
As it stirs, microscopic oil droplets collide and merge into larger, harvestable drops.
Now prepared, the paste is pumped into the most powerful machine in the plant.
The horizontal decanter centrifuge. It spins at thousands of RPM, creating massive G-force.
Using a two-phase system, it separates the oil from the wet solids without adding extra water. The waste, or pomace, is ejected. In the Middle East, this saves precious water resources.
Out flows the raw oil. It's gold, but it still contains tiny water particles and sediment.
A vertical centrifuge polishes the oil, spinning at 7,000 RPM to remove every trace of water. The result? Pure, liquid gold. This is the moment of truth. Final filtration removes any remaining sediment, ensuring the oil won't spoil over time.
Stored in massive silos, nitrogen gas is pumped in to displace oxygen and prevent oxidation.
The bottling line is fully automated, filling dark glass to protect the oil from light.
Sealed, labeled, and ready for export. But nothing goes to waste here.
Even the waste oil is used to make traditional soaps, a craft thousands of years old.
From the desert tree to your table, this is how modern olive oil is made. Subscribe for more.